We are coming to the last segment. I know you have to go as well. Rahu ji is coming to Taurus side, coming September. Ketu Maharaj, are you Ketu? Is coming in Vrishik Rashi after 23rd of September. What to expect? Some people take why like a lot of our audience know we don't do the mundane topics, but why I'm
A
asking
lot
this?
of friends are doing it. They can listen to them. A lot of our friends are doing it. Please
Yes,
listen to them.
yes,
Some very learned
yes,
people are doing it. Some very learned friends of ours, very learned
yes,
astrologers.
yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely. Because some people take Rahu in the most comfortable situation in Gemini sign. Some people consider it in Taurus sign. What are your thoughts on that? What can we expect? Because again, we are going through this pandemic, which has hit us very hard, not on the level of India, worldwide. The whole dynamics of each and every household has changed from rich to poor.
Well, so don't worry. Rahul will manage in Taurus everything.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. We'll manage it. We talked about Rahu is a planet of Earth.
Earth. And it's
Okay.
coming to the
It's
earthy side.
yes. So what happens when Earth is in Earth?
Right.
So during this Rahu transit, people are going to forget about the pandemic. They are
Okay.
going to get back on their work. You can expect the progress is back in the country, every country.
Right.
But there will be new norms, new lifestyles, which Rahu does in
Yeah.
Gemini, which it did. It taught you.
Yeah. Technology based.
2020 year 20204, 4 is Rahu.
Rahu.
Whatever is happening in a sequence of events.
Right.
People
Right.
right now with the zeal to do something big in life should bank upon the fact that Rahu is coming into Taurus. I told you earlier also that make big plans.
Yes.
Don't worry about these temporary things
Yes.
and
Yes. I
try
still
and
remember
focus
that.
your execution towards big plans. Ketu's placement in water is always welcome. 4 at 12 in the trine of water, it is always welcome. However, what you need to understand is do not get into drinking or drugs.
Right. Right.
Okay? You may find a lot of deaths because of this overdosage of drinking,
Mm.
overdosage of smoking. Do not spend beyond your limit.
Mm.
Rahu in Taurus has the
Earthy side.
ability to make you a spendthrift, make you lavish, make you a bit more showy that, my God, I am this. And secretly, you have to take funds to manage your outer garb. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Remember, because once it catches you there, then it will get you in the vicious circle and it will ruin you. Save money, Rahu in Taurus. Why save money? Because some bigger project of future will need that investment.
And savings. Yeah.
Savings are important. Be good in the family. Take care of the family. Any wrongdoing in the family will counter it back to you. It will come back. The Rahu, negative effect of Rahu will come back on you.
जी.
चीजें गलत होंगी. But if you are able to comprehend and understand, it will become fine. So this is the time for people who want to make money, first of all, who want to get back on the track, but who are not going to get into the vicious circle of borrowing money and then taking care of things. Stop borrowing. Start saving. Should be the mantra for Rahu in Taurus. Because for some future project, you are going to invest that and it will do well. Ketu part, Ketu is very beautiful in water, but people who are married, need to maintain the sanctity of marriage because of this Rahu Ketu axis. It's coming in family and married life.
Married life. Yes.
Avoid problems and conflicts, confrontation among married partners. Try to maintain a healthy, cordial, beautiful, loving relationship. I don't usually talk about this because there are so many other friends of ours,
Mhm.
so deep
Yes.
they go. But since you picked up the topic, this should be the mantra of the community, the people at large after September, October.
Right.
Do not spend, save, and it'll help you. Think big, execute big.
Right. Ji. Thank you. Thank you, Bhaiya. Because other than this, I wrote it down. Coming February 9th of 2021, 6 or 7 planets are in Capricorn, and all happening in like other than the Mars, all planets are together. So again, that's the future segment. We can talk about that. But I really wanted to take this Rahu Ketu because a lot of fear were there because a lot of people were saying Ketu is coming into the Scorpio sign. Scorpio sign is already very misunderstood. They say a lot of fears might come back. A lot of insecurity
No,
might be there
it
again.
is also at the spiritual level. Aman, we need to understand that also.
Yes, yes, yes.
If it is coming back, it's because of spirituality.
Right.
Good time for sadhaks in sadhana. People who want to get into the deeper level of meditation, it's a good time for them to start.
Or
For
maybe
people
good
who are
time,
already meditating.
yeah, or good time to get into astrology more, go deep into the research.
Yeah, research also, but it is more to do with the chakras, the alignment, the meditation. Ketu coming in water is a very, very beautiful time to get your inner energies chiseled. However, you can take because it is there in the medium where it can take you to the higher levels of consciousness. So people who do sadhana for let's say 3 years can achieve what they achieve in 3 years in just 8 months, 10 months
8 months.
in
Yes.
Ketu in the element of water.
Water.
Be happy, people who want to start with the meditation, they will have the deeper understanding of things. Clarity would come to them.
Right.
Don't be so afraid of Scorpio. Don't be so afraid. Scorpio is one of the most misunderstood sign, understandable, because it's got a lot of intricacies and depth to it. It's a very deep, deep, profound sign.
We are talking about that. I have seen certain, again, I will not name them, certain people, certain fellow astrologers as well. If they say Scorpio sign, they don't even take the consultation.
No, no, why? I don't understand why. It's a profound sign. It's a deeper sign. I mean, astrologers should understand the depth of every sign.
Right.
Why it should be some sort of a no. I don't think prejudice. Why prejudice towards some good sign like Sagittarius and not so helpful towards
To
Scorpio? What is
Scorpio.
wrong in Scorpio? What is wrong in Scorpio? It is the water that is needed for generation of the life cycle.
To move on. Right.
Now, how you handle that water is up to you.
Up to you.
Are you ruining your generation? Generation could be our future generation, could be generation of the higher levels of consciousness of the soul, the mind, the internals. Is the seat of the Kundalani. Number 8 is the seat of the Kundalani. I don't know who. I mean, I'm sorry to say, there is a lot can be said about Scorpio. Maybe not the right time to talk about it,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
but it is the genitals. It is
Yep.
what is responsible for you and me being born on this earth. We are the
Mhm.
creation of Scorpio.
Yes.
We got the environment of Scorpio. For us, the Scorpio was good, so we came out normally. We are alive. What are people are not thinking on the right direction? I'm sorry to say. I would request
Right.
all of them, please do not take Scorpio in the
As a
malefic manner that you are talking about or the others are talking about, please take it. It's a very profound sign. Let's put it this way.
Because I gotten into astrology in the dasha of Scorpio only. So
See,
whatever, yeah. So
so now
that is
Ketu is
why,
coming there, no?
yes,
You also take it to the higher levels now.
yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Yes, yes, you'll get the internal energy to take it to the higher levels.
Right. So, Bhaiya, what more to expect from Aryu Ketu in this future coming future? We all
Yes,
look forward to it.
yes,
Beautiful
because of the
series,
pandemic, because
beautiful
of my
series.
dad's health. Sorry?
Yes, how is he doing?
Oh, he's much touchwood by the grace of God and Almighty. He's much, much better now. The pandemic thing, because we were under the lockdown, so that is also over now. I will start with this. The series are coming. People are understanding it. My only humble suggestion or request to them is, please give me little time. I am not that frequent because of a lot of other commitments. But now I'm taking care of each and everything. The course is also working side by side. It may take a lot of more time to understand because of these things. But yes, the next part is going to come. Then the next part, we are planned it well. That is, Aryu Ketu is going step by step. Please listen from 1 to 2, 3, 4. Don't pick up anything from the middle. The series and sequence are like this. The other things which we are going to touch next time are the depth of the elements. That is going to be a very, very important concept there. The basic building block of Vedic astrology are the elements:
Right.
the earth, the fire, the air, the water, how to go about it, how to understand it, how planets behave, how signs behave. With one of the basic building block of astrology is the elements, because you need to understand that planet is the same. The environment keeps on changing. So we
Changing.
need to dwell more on the environment, because
Yes,
Saturn will be Saturn, is Saturn will be Saturn always. But how it
yes,
changes from Scorpio to Capricorn to Cancer to Taurus to fifth house to sixth house to ninth house to 10th house, these are the deeper levels of understanding that the student
understand.
should know. So their results about a particular planet get very, very accurate.
Yes. And the way, Bhaiya, in that series, because I also follow that series, the way
Oh,
you
thank
have
you.
the way you have described in different parts, it was so beautiful. I think there is, I can say it as a viewer, I can say it as an audience. I did not find any other channel of my friends and other colleagues did it in
Thank you
such a
so much.
beautiful way of hierarchy. And I often enjoy more of your segments where Jyotish, on the basis of Jyotish, the fundamentals of life are more given, importance are more given on that. Because that is the true essence of Jyotish, I guess. So you have beautifully explained in all those segments,
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you
and
so
it
much.
makes so much sense with the basics, which again I remember you said one of the important foundation of it.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And my favorite part, all of them were very great. My favorite part was again on one related, the part four. So if any of the audience missed that part four, you're gonna love it uh, more, I would say. So please continue that series. We always look forward to Aryu Ketu sessions. And thank
Thank
you
you.
again,
Thank
Bhaiya.
you.
Thank you again for coming. It's always a pleasure and honor. And we look forward to hear more from you.
Thank you
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you.
Take care. Pranam to everybody.
Thank you. Thank you.